Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the control panel on your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clip and set the panel on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws securing the washer's user interface board and the 4 screws securing the dryer's user interface board. Pull off both selector knobs. You can now pull the retaining tabs back to release both boards. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pull back the tabs to release both button supports. With the supports detached, remove all of the control buttons. To prepare the new control panel for installation, first insert all of the control buttons in the appropriate slots. Align the 2 button supports and snap them into place. Align both the washer and dryer user interface boards and snap them into position. Rethread all of the screws to secure. Replace both selector knobs. Secure the wires in the retaining clip, then reposition the control panel. Replace the mounting screws. Realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.